Hey and welcome to Alt1. In this video we are going to trade the pocket option. I'm going to show you my strategy again, how you're going to trade and how you can make money. Let me just remove this one here. This is from a live session. Also, if you want me to trade live on this broker, just comment below, make one account using my link, because yes, I have a super link where you even get 60% of my affiliate income as cashback every time you trade. So if your account from before with Pocket Option, make sure you close down your old account and reopen with my link. You find a link up there right now, or you can just use the link find below the video. Also, if you deposit more than $100, you will get 50% extra on your deposit. So make your first deposit count. But it's not necessary to deposit that much, but if you want 50% extra, then make sure you deposit more than $100. That is automatically, okay? So I do trade live every single day. It's not on this broker, but if I get enough people to join my affiliate link, then I see that there are interest about this broker also, then I will start to trade live on Pocket Option also. So that is completely in your arm to join, and let me see that there are people interested for me to trade live on this broker also, because then I will start to trade live 1 hour a day. Now let's get to the strategy, and I will show you one trade and you can see how easy it is to actually make money with this broker also. So now let's see if we can find something nice to trade. Let's take a look at some of these pairs. We know that we will get a resistance here, so let's take it down. The reason for that trade, you can see that over here we see many times it tried to break down. As it break down here, that means this is turned into resistance. So I can just make a line so you can have an idea. You see over here, you see that region. So every time we came down here, we had a problem to break it. That means also here should have a problem to break up about this area here. So now we just need to wait 30 seconds and probably we will win this trade. This strategy basically have a win rate around 70–80%. So it's not a 100% strategy, but it is something you can trust on. So if you just keep to this all the time, you will print money with this strategy. And here you have it. Now in 5 seconds, we are making $88. So just like that, $88 profit. So that's how fast and easy you can make money with Pocket Option. And if you want me to trade live, you are in control. Just sign up with this broker, make any deposit, can even be $10 if that you want. And you can get started, because yes, you can trade with $10 and you can build an account with $10. That's what you need. So I hope I see you in a live session for Pocket Option in the future, and enjoy the day.